What's going on, guys? In this video, I want to talk about this conditioning workout I use for my Muay Thai and kickboxing. It's something I stumbled upon recently, and I'm really enjoying it. Now, I like to push the conditioning when it comes to my students and my clients and my team. I truly believe in conditioning and cardio, so it's a big staple of our type of training. There's a lot of ways I go about elevating our conditioning, but bag work is always a staple of Muay Thai training and conditioning. But generally when I do bag work, I do rounds, 2-minute rounds, 3-minute rounds, 5-minute rounds, and of course there's a rest interval in there. To keep myself busy, previously I would do things in between, like power punching or some kicks in between rounds, and that felt like it was kind of creating this like extended round, this really long training session. And of course it was, but what I did one day, as I was hitting the bag and I had it set to 2-minute rounds with 30-second rest intervals, and usually I do 10, 15 rounds. So I planned on doing 10 or 12 rounds that day. But as I was hitting the bag, I was kind of in a zone, and I only had 45 minutes to train, and I just wanted to do all conditioning. And I just decided to stay on the bag, and even though the timer was beeping to let me know the rounds were over so I can kind of just jog in place and rest in between rounds or whatever, I just didn't. I just kept going. Something just compelled me to continue to keep hitting the bag. Much like there's times that I shadow box and I don't have rounds going, I just shadow box. And some of my other fighters do that, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes of just shadow boxing. Usually when I shadow box, same thing. I do about 10 rounds where it's broken up into rounds. But when I just shadow box, I realized that I get into like this meditative state. And I never tried that on a heavy bag. So as I'm going, about 10 minutes, 15, almost 20 minutes in, I'm in this meditative state, and I'm just flowing. And I guess you could compare it to like a runner's high, and it just felt good to just keep hitting the bag nonstop, keep having to be creative, changing my combinations as far as like varying my power. Some are light, some are heavy. Picking up your speed, working more on defense. I mean, to have to continue to go for 30 to 45 minutes continuously, it's a hard task. It might sound easy, but it's not. But it's like running, running 5-6 miles. So I just started doing it, and I've really fallen in love with it. It's really become like a meditative workout and also pushing my conditioning and sharpening my techniques. But I just really love the flow that it creates for me and the mental state that it puts me. I've been putting a few of my fighters through it, and they agree. They really enjoy it. So this is something you should maybe try. Just don't turn on the round clock. Just don't set rounds. Just get on your bag and hit it and play on it and go nonstop, 20, 30, 45 minutes. One last tip I'll give you is if you want to boost the intensity, I put these 1-minute intervals in where I go full power. I'll say power striking or power punching and kicking for a minute. So your combos, everything you throw is at full power. Of course, some people train on heavy bags like that, but anyone who trains consistently knows you're not hitting the bag at full power the whole time. You're kind of varying your tempo and your speed and your power. Anything that can increase your strength, your conditioning, and your technique all together, man. You want to be all over that kind of stuff. So give it a shot, and I hope you enjoy it. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.